So right about now we're looking at how to solve syntax error in our bash program. You may be experiencing this type of error. When you call your program to run, you're getting that error. And this is how our program looks like. So we have the bin bash at the top, we have the variables, and we also have the total. So you might want to save that, then run it. And of course, this program has some errors. You may or may not see them, but we'll just figure them out. Here's the way you call the program to run. So you see it's producing the syntax error on line 9. So how to solve that is why you're here today. So let's go back to our program, and you can see there on line 9 we have total, then you have a $sign inside the parenthesis. You have to remove the $sign from the num1 and num2, then save the program, then go back and see whether the error has gone away. Clear, then run the program again. So you can see we have a logical error, but the other syntax error has gone away. So the logic of 1 plus 2 is of course 3. So let's see here, num1 you can remove the $sign, and also on num2, and let's run it again. Save and run. So when you call it, now it runs well, and the total is 3. Now the logical error and the syntax error have gone. If you find problems, you might of course go to Stack Overflow or Google, and you might find some solutions there, of course. So that's how you solve that syntax error. Remember to subscribe. See you in the next one.